guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dipbrow back again with another video for you guys, and for today's makeup look we are doing a flame inspired makeup look. This is a very interesting makeup look right here, and I'm happy with the final result, and I hope you guys enjoy watching it as much as I enjoyed creating it. So for this video today I might be doing a voiceover, but if I don't do a voiceover it's just gonna be more of a get ready with me where I just play music at the background and let you guys see how I ended up with this look, and I just show you guys the product because today is Carnival day, so I'm getting ready to go to Carnival, so I decided to do something fun and colorful, and that's how we ended up with this look today. So as always guys, before we jump into this makeup look right here, don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up if you enjoy it, and don't forget to also subscribe if you're not yet subscribed to this channel. As always, new interesting makeup look are always going to be coming your way. Make sure you also turn on your bell button when you do subscribe so that you'll be notified whenever I upload any new video on this channel, and make sure you also comment in the comment box below if you have any requests of any new video you want to see on my channel, and I'll try my best to get that done for you guys as always. And without any further ado, I'm gonna let you guys go. I'm gonna jump into this beautiful makeup look right here, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. So guys, the first thing I'm going to start by doing is filling in my eyebrows, and I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade in dark brown to do that today. And then I'm going to go in with my Pro concealer in pure beige to conceal and tidy it up. When I'm all done with that, I'm going to put more concealer on my eyelid, and basically this is to prime our eyes for the eyeshadow we're going to be using, and so the color will be really pigmented and pop. And then I'm going to go over that with my damp beauty sponge so that everything is nice and smooth. So for our eyeshadow today, we're going to be using the Beauty Glazed Color Studio Pressed Powder eyeshadow palette. Like I said, this is going to be like my go-to colors for when I want to do something bright, and that's what we're using today. And the first shade I'm picking up in this palette is a red color, and then I'm going to go in with the orange color to help me blend that out as my transition color. Once that is all done, I'm going to grab a clean brush, and I'm going to use that just to smoke out my transition color so we don't have ash line going on top of that. And then I'm going to go back to my Pro concealer, and I'm going to be using that to cut my crease today. And for today's look we are doing half a crease, as you guys already saw in the intro, so I'm just going to go in and just cut the crease to the way I want it. Now I'm going to go back to my Beauty Glazed palette. This time around I'm picking up that orange color I used as my transition color, and that is going on the crease we just cut. And then I'm going to pick up the red shade we started with to help us blend the two colors together. And then I'm going to go into my Makeup Gallery glitter eyeliner, and I'm just going to use that basically to just line the crease we just cut. And then now I'm going to pick up a black eyeliner to basically line my eyes and wing it out as well. Once that is all done, I'm going to go in with my Max Factor mascara. I'm going to be applying this to my top lashes for the time being, and then later on I'm going to apply it to our bottom lashes. So for my first eyelashes today, I'm going to be using my Pinky Gold eyelashes, but unfortunately today wasn't a good lashes day for me. So throughout the video you guys might notice that the lashes was not glued on properly, but when I was done I did go back in and fix it, so don't worry about that. So now we're going to go in and prime my face with my Health 3-in-1 makeup base face primer, and I'm going to go in after that with my Model Earn face primer. And then for foundation today I'm going to be using my NYX Total Control Drop Foundation. So to help me blend out my foundation today, I'm going to start with a brush like I always do, and then after that I'm going to go in with my damp beauty sponge to conceal any brush line. Once I'm all done with that, I'm going to go back to my Pro concealer in pure beige to conceal my under eyes, and then I'm going to also go into my Stila corrector stick in tan to cream contour. So to help me set my concealer today, I'm going to be using my W7 Banana Dream Loose Powder. After that, I'm going to go into my Makeup Gallery Matte Bronzer to help me set my cream contour. So to help me set the whole of my face today, I'm going to be using my Christina Button Loose Powder, and I'm also going to be using the powder puff it came with to set the whole of my face today. So to help me set my face today, I'm going to be using my Health Beauty Shield Daily Defense Makeup Mist. After that, I'm going to go in with my W7 The Fixer Face Spray, and this is their long-lasting makeup fixer. And once that is a bit dried, I'm going to go into my Becca highlighter. This is in the shade Bronzed Umber. I'm going to be using this to highlight my face today. Now we're gonna go back to our eyes because we're not yet done. We just did the main eyes and now we're back for the under eyes. So now I'm gonna line my waterline with my Miss Rose eyeliner, and then I'm gonna go in with the brush I used as my orange transition color to blend that out a bit, and then I'm gonna go back to the palette and pick up the red shade we started with today to help us smoke our under eyes out a bit more. When I'm done with that, I'm gonna go back to my black eyeliner and I'm gonna basically be creating a cat eye like I always do, and then I'm gonna go in with my Max Factor mascara and I'm gonna be applying this to my bottom lashes. Now we're moving on to the final step, which is the lip. I'm gonna be going into my Primark lip crayon stick and I'm going to be using that as my liner today, and then I'm going to go into my MAC lipstick, and this is the Rebel Woo Anti Rihanna, and then I'm going to go into another MAC lipstick again. This time around, this is the orange shade, and I'm going to place that in the middle of my lip. Looking at that, I wasn't really satisfied with the color because it was too bold, so I ended up going back to my LA Girl Pro concealer in pure beige, and basically I just applied that in the middle of my lips just to lighten that up a bit. And then of course I did go into my powder to help me tidy up my lips a bit. And that was it. And thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed creating it, and as always, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.